When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and security of your home, few upgrades make as significant an impact as a new set of windows. Whether you're building a new home or replacing outdated windows, window installation in Bethesda is a process that requires the expert touch to ensure optimal results. From dealing with the local climate to ensuring proper installation, there are numerous reasons why you should trust professionals for your window installation needs. Expertise in local climate conditions. Bethesda, located in Maryland, is no stranger to varying weather conditions, with hot, humid summers and cold, snowy winters. The right windows can help you regulate indoor temperatures, reduce energy costs, and provide year-round comfort. However, choosing the wrong window type or installing them improperly can leave your home vulnerable to temperature fluctuations. Experts in Bethesda window installation are familiar with these regional weather patterns and know the best materials and window types that can withstand such conditions. From double-glazed windows that provide better insulation to low-E glass that reflects heat, professionals understand which options suit local conditions. The proper installation of these windows helps prevent drafts, leaks, and moisture buildup, ensuring your home stays comfortable throughout the year. Correct measurement and custom fitting. One of the most critical aspects of a successful window installation is accurate measurement. Incorrect measurements can lead to windows that don't fit properly, leading to air leaks, compromised insulation, and increased energy bills. Whether you are replacing existing windows or installing new ones in a remodel, precise measurements are essential for both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Experts in Bethesda window installation come equipped with the right tools and knowledge to measure windows accurately. They understand the nuances of different window styles and can account for variations in home design, such as uneven framing or walls. This ensures that the windows fit seamlessly and perform as intended, without leaving gaps or requiring unnecessary adjustments later. Quality of materials and installation. While the DIY route may seem tempting to save on costs, there are risks involved in opting for cheaper materials and improper installation. Poor quality windows may not offer the durability, insulation, or security that your home requires. Additionally, improper installation can void warranties, leading to costly repairs down the line. Expert installers in Bethesda have access to high-quality window materials and know the best brands to recommend based on your home's specific needs. From selecting energy-efficient glass to choosing durable frames, professionals ensure that you get the best value for your investment. Furthermore, they adhere to manufacturer guidelines during installation, ensuring that your new windows perform optimally and last for years. Compliance with local building code. Bethesda, like many other communities, has building codes that govern how windows should be installed to ensure safety, security, and energy efficiency. Without professional knowledge of these codes, there's a risk of installing windows that do not meet legal requirements, which can lead to fines or the need for costly revisions. Window installation experts in Bethesda are well versed in local building codes and regulations. They ensure that all installations are compliant, preventing issues during home inspections or future resale. Professional installers also secure necessary permits and handle paperwork, so you don't have to worry about navigating the legal aspects of the installation process. Improved security and safety windows are more than just an aesthetic feature, they are also a primary point of entry for burglars. Installing high-quality windows with reinforced glass and advanced locking systems significantly improves your home's security. However, proper installation is just as important to ensure that these features function correctly. Experienced window installation experts know how to properly secure windows, whether it's ensuring that locks are installed securely or that the glass is mounted correctly. They are also trained in handling large and heavy window units, minimizing the risk of injury during installation. Ensuring the proper installation of your windows enhances both your home's security and your family's safety. Conclusion. When it comes to window installation in Bethesda, the importance of expert attention cannot be overstated. From navigating the local climate to ensuring a perfect fit, professionals bring the expertise and knowledge necessary for a successful installation. Not only do they guarantee the quality of the materials and workmanship, but they also ensure compliance with local building codes and enhance the safety and security of your home. Whether you are upgrading your windows for energy efficiency, aesthetics, or security, trusting experts with your window installation will provide peace of mind and lasting results.